This is an LSU gold fig tree. They go in the ground in the springtime. And I'll tell you, they will, after they get a little size to them, to produce the biggest, sweetest figs you ever tasted. My tree at the house, I'm getting figs, bunches of them.
Okay, so why do you put your fruiting trees in the ground in the spring?
It gives the roots time to set, get in there and get established. And then that way, possibly without a severe winter, you can make it through the winter with no problem.
Okay,
Now,
so you plant them in the spring. That gives them all the way till winter to be prepared to get through the really cold of winter. Okay.
Now, a fig tree is almost indestructible.
Yeah,
in
they
the
are.
right zone. I've had mine freeze slam down to the ground, completely down to the ground, and I figure that's the end of it. You ought to see it now, it's massive.
Okay, so tell us what this black pipe is hiding over here.
Oh, that's right, you got them on all your trees. That is for deep water. You take, and you can take and pour food, or fertilize, rabbit manure, chicken manure, whatever.
Worm castings.
Worm castings in here and water it. That puts the water deep in the ground, which takes these roots, they go down. They'll pull down to the water. They get deep rooted, your plants are in a lot better shape.
That's right, because, okay, so just so you guys can understand this, the nearest water is where that shop is. There's no professional laid down not agriculture,